Good morning, everybody. This is Rashima Walker, the manager of the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern, and I'm here to give you the weekly update. So first, let's start with the weekly job board. Here's a small list of the different career opportunities that I posted in the last week for the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico Counties area. So check them out. Now we got two great events coming up that you want to make sure you put on your calendar. First of all, November 3rd, Moen, doing a hiring event right here at our Career Center, 2836 Neuse Blvd, November 3rd from 10 to 1. And that's right, they're hiring in all positions. So you want to make sure you're here for that. Also, we got the Veterans Day Job Fair taking place November 9th from 10 to 2 at Dayspring Ministries, 1246 Pollock Street. And we've already got so many great employers going to be there, veteran friendly. So you want to make sure November 3rd and November 9th, great opportunities, and you do not want to miss it. Now we have some local companies right here who are hiring. So I want you to check out their flyers. Now, do you have a resume? When's the last time you updated that resume? We have 3 resume and cover letter workshops taking place in the local area. So check out the flyers for the dates and locations and make sure you get registered. It'll be the best 2 hours you can invest in yourself. So in summary, we covered the weekly job board. We covered 2 great events we got coming up. November 3rd, Moen hiring event here at our local career center from 10 to 1. Also the Veterans Day Job Fair taking place on November 9th from 10 to 2 at Dayspring Ministries. We also got 3 resume and cover letter workshops that are scheduled on the 1st, the 5th, and the 8th. And we did highlight some companies in the local area who are hiring. So again, make sure you get registered with NCWorks by going to www.ncworks.gov, or you can visit us here at our Career Center, 2836 Neuse Blvd here in New Bern. Thank you for watching. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.